Friends and brother and sister, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much today about the. Yesterday, I reading about Jesus anointed by a sinful woman, but it's not finished. I want to comment to read and finish today about this. Okay, I started beginning to the end. Okay, pain it kwa bakala kasai shu no. Ta pu le to pamu no pa pata de ba mu pu de ga he pu le to ne mu no ko ra le to ne mu ke me jini ro pe kle kwa pe de se pu de de no now on one of the Pharisees invited Jesus to have dinner with him. No, God saw he went to the Pharisee's house and reclined at the table. When he picked mala, no, akaini no Pharisee the gala ko kwemole a hipu mara leta ota otil panelo. No pero tera so no awe levera siko no he went to Pharisee's house no awe levera super Pharisee him no. No, Ulani Bethina Sikola and reclaimed at the table. No, but Jeremala aware, no, Sino Vedala, no, but then Lochino Siko, Penny Bethina Siko, Penny Jeremala, Matadaga, no, Papariseraga, he, Kuyisu did to a co Otalo, do Lenua per Lenula Parisa Hipu, do Sino the Newella. Mila chini lo wesino the nivele mila ti mono deveni payro perkele quale devera la casunyani minuti mila one a woman who has lived a sinful life in the town learning that Jesus was eating at the Pharisee house. She's brought an alabaster jar of perfume. Penny of Pagate Mala, Tevera Penny, do Quaqua Pada Tadeba Mupu, no, Ula we Pudagani, nothing yawala a sinner. Pagdenamano, a sinner the neathala, Papa said he pudo, le superlo le, water plo udo, Tanamudo settle, mano. Gora settle a clear Buddha a cock, the hallway, mano. Pay ni tevera le pagden mala liso sit kind of pagano ko wet me no a colwa ko le temi mana over the quick kilo da hutaroni le da deal mano paper clear pagataki tevera le moniti me le pay no and as sister behind him as his feet weeping she began to now wipe his feet now with her tears now with her tears she done a metima no but mala no then no she no wiped then with her hair kisses them and pures performs on them no panel of gidama lulo wera tana mula apoko but your didn't the physical pain it no however think we are calling mechi no theory used to a calling mechi no true we wear le akutu don namu a call do pool tanamu no but thing yala aware hallway ni a mechi lo wala kasakre a call no let no kuta on it aware to tu ki wala a kuta hisu do lucky kiro pa me ba jene no aware lulo ki we tanamu lo konilo no Panido Bagdete Mala Tamata Wayne David one the Pharisee who has invited him saw this no Papa said the gala quemu or a hini tiweta way ido David no he said to him said no telo anogasata no telo anogasata la Bagdete Mala no our telo anogasata the David dile payni no Bagdete ma Telo anogasata mano kora la pain no if this man wear a prophet now atelo anogasata le porga I me wirgani no pagita me wini mano he would know who is touching him and what kind of woman she is no that she is a sinner. Pagita mala awaka thinya wera la pagita money no tevera la pay papa seller Aku degani tiba so no tiba ro seba le ataki puna se level ataki puni a weddega in me wiro pomula a tuba or the guy no me puata de bapolo no Pagda me pua dile ni ketinya tiwelo agidi I pagda mano me puata de bapolo Porga ini puata de bapo kisa Yesu tinya we loti lo silo no letano kuda ro pakro patu pata leta giti fa sikolo ke me dini do tebeda pay ni Jesus I'm sure him no Pagda ma Simon no kisa Yesu si sagra so Simon I have something to tell you no Pagda ma ye ero tena tata mimi wa ye oro Sigtuna Tarmi, no, Yero Sigtuna Tarmi. Tell me, teachers, not Devaya, not Tara, not Tara. He said, away David up, no. When it Devra 2 men, all money to sometime money lender, no, Pagana Pakia, no. Pakia ne, Pagana Mala, a loose $0, no, Sikasa Ulo, no, one on him 500 denarii at the gane where Pagda Luwara Yegia denarii lo did I not denarii and the other 50 the Pagaragane well Luwara yes see mono neither of them have the money to pay him back now Pakiane that's a good pal bahiki baki higida a silo a luwenilo but tell Bakloda so he cancelled the no pagtema debt no of both pagtema na aware lutu kuira pakian akamani no now which of them will love him more no kaini pakiani ke e o adukate ga phele ga le no pa no paniro tevara Simon replied paniro so Simon sisewada ni lo I suppose the one who have the bigger no deaf counselors paniro pagtema na Yakatuye mono away ni mitala pala abalo si akatirgani lo no awaka sit up at your panino no no panino you have just correctly awani mitala na netida ni mitala abano negatura ni mitala abano Jesus says now panika says to see when it no panic then he returned towards the woman and said to Simon no pagtan mala awahaki Kagaki lopamu odo awetevra so Simone. Do you see this woman? Tera natiba pomuriga itimiya, no? Tiba no, I came into your house. Now yehesu no nahipu yehenu su nahipu you did not give me any waters for my feet, no? Netehiya til yekatihu yakonin tehiya ba, no? No, I went to tell no, but she now with my feet with her teeth and now wipe it down with her hair no pagitema pain aware no pagitema la aware lulo tea le ameti no pagitema let you call it ameti do pagitema pain no aware to tuera akutu pagitema akutu no do pain tewara la no pagitema no and wipe then with her hair now when we taught to another a kutu you did not give me a kiss now netahia tanamua no netanamuya no but no this woman from the time I entered has not stopped kissing my feet no pagitema pomuraga in it hair Tilo talot toido na awata patulu namu yaba no pagitema atapatulu namu yaba no paini tera no up to atapatu namu yakot not the blower no pain atapatu namu yakoba no head year to pay lily no pen you did not put wine on my head no pagitema nata lulo tulu yakutua no Yakutuba, no Yakuba, no, but she has no Pagitana Mala parents performs on my feet, no Pagitana, well, Lulo, Tanamulo Yako, no Pagitana pain, no. Therefore, I tell you, no, Temia Temini, Yatena, no, here many sin has been forgiven, no, Pagitama, her many sin had been forgiven နော်အဝဲအတတဲ့ပါခလကစင်းနေပကတဲ့မှာလားတမီလာလာနေတပနော်တပပလကွော်လောနော် for she love much နော်ပကနေအဝဲevery do man, no? But he who has been forgiven leaders love leader. Penny potato mala tevadala, no? Penny pakalak sikatulu Lucy Nuini to say poor penny tevadilla, no? No penny, no pakakatugaki a cotty put to say poor, no? Penny teva weda let up to me, no? Neda e netanamuba yaba. Mimi pomu I le hen ti liline namu yakodo the suti baweba neda I na puba na ta puba yakol tuba mimi pomu I pu yakol tu namu lo no pu yakol tu namu lo mata dini do yeseba na ne I tade ba le ani plali weli agidi I mi edu malo mimi poala tapla ole asha ke eta sa sikolo no awani palata plata kama sane awe eta sa no wani bigtete madino no do seba pomuni neta de ba plali no phane bigtete mala lucy khone tebala de lo no then Jesus said to her your sins are forgiven no your sins are forgiven phane do bigtete ma neta de ba plali do what do you think about by yourself no awani bigta you has happiness now you have more happiness no now there other girls began to say now among themselves now bigta mala pain tebala no neta de ba plali do pain do pala asino tane khula mila ti de phane siwela ataki pu no awa bigta no beginning pain no begin to say among themselves now katura anokasada wetani tebala who is this who even forgets sin no bigta mala pain no tebala la no pain tebala pala plastic or tade barga I mi mata tagale no awe parga I plata de basi mi mata tagale no pa sukomo no pechino pala tagi when sikolo no Mimi werani pe plata de basi sikoa no basa na ke club plug plata de bako adilo no awene pe batinya no there are pain tebala Jesus said to the woman your faith has saved you go in peace no pagitena ma pain Jesus seba pomu na ne uke khokeli no uke khokeli nali kimamuriki no okay what do you think about that this the woman do to the Jesus why do you think here no you know that Simon know about that this woman is sinful no sinner but Jesus know about them too no Jesus know about her too but the Simon telling himself only no think about himself but Jesus know people's hearts no we should think about it here and Jesus Simon replied about the something important to the sinner you know here Jesus talk about this story is very interesting to us and you and me too you and me understand about that here okay here the Pharisees and the Pharisees saw this now he said to himself is this man where are prophets he would know who is touching him and what kind of woman she is that she is a sinner we understand about the sinner if everywhere okay this means we should think about here Jesus answered Simon I have something to tell you okay whatever you judge someone judges to you something okay you will not understand about that every sinner can be forgiven okay after Jesus no Leta no kura patinya sikol tatir pain no two women no two men not all money to the certain money lenders one owned him 500. Second is 50. Neither of them has the money to pay him back, and so he canceled the debt of both. You should think about it. You know that 550. You have to pay for debt and the 500. Okay, the money lender is cancel everything. Okay, this means you has more happiness. I want to read more about that here. Now Jesus, here is about the Jesus said, now which of them will love him more? Which of them will love him more? We understand about the Jesus is the sinful people love more than and the righteous people. You know what? Jesus is the people love because of the sinful people only love Jesus. Okay, the restaurant people never love Jesus. No, only just little bit, not too much. We understand about that this meaning. Okay, and then we have to turn to another side. Is the here I suppose the one who has the bigger debt cancer. You have judges correctly. Jesus said, this is mean the right thing. Simon told him the right thing. Okay. Here, Jesus forgives every sin and the lady doing. No, but later than. Okay. This means Jesus said about that. No. God and peace. Okay. Your faith has saved you. What is a faith? Now, faith means you believe something. Okay, you believe this guy can forgive you. This means you believe Jesus can forgive your sin. You don't have to be faithful to any other person, only just to Jesus. Okay, remember that Jesus never afraid any person in the world. Jesus never afraid. Later than people judging and killing him, doesn't matter. Okay, this means Jesus is the right man in the world. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother and sister. Today, I talk about the Jesus anointed by the sinful woman. This is me in the grateful. You so carefully and reading about that. You want to read it? Go back to read the Luke chapter 7, verse 36 to 50. Okay, read there. You will know exactly what happened to this woman and to Jesus, to Simon in the house of Pharisee. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother and sister. God bless you all. Today is the finished lesson today. Thank you. Bye-bye.